To place Forex orders in MetaTrader, start by opening the platform and navigating to the Tools menu. From here, select the New Order option to open the order window. The order window is where you will input the details of your trade, including the symbol, volume, stop loss, and take profit. First, select the Forex symbol you want to trade from the symbol drop-down menu. This could be a major pair like EUR/USD or a minor pair like AUD/CAD. Next, choose the volume of your trade, which is the number of lots you want to buy or sell. The standard lot size in Forex is 100,000 units of the base currency. Now, set your stop loss and take profit levels. The stop loss is the price at which your trade will be automatically closed if it moves against you, limiting your potential losses. The take profit is the price at which your trade will be automatically closed if it moves in your favor, securing your profits. You can choose from several types of orders, including market orders, limit orders, stop orders, and pending orders. A market order is executed at the current market price, while a limit order is executed at a specified price. A stop order is executed when the market price reaches a specified level, and a pending order is a combination of a limit and stop order. To place a market order, click on the Buy or Sell button and confirm the details of your trade. To place a pending order, select the Pending Order option and input the details of your trade, including the symbol, volume, stop loss, take profit, and the price at which you want the order to be executed. Best practices for placing Forex orders in MetaTrader include setting clear stop loss and take profit levels, using pending orders to manage risk, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your trades to ensure they remain aligned with your trading strategy. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively place Forex orders in MetaTrader and improve your trading results.